How to install an application in Installatron. Most applications in Installatron have the same basic steps for installation. Let's see how to install a script. Go to Applications Browser. Click any category to view a more detailed list of software in that group. Here you can see details about each script, including its version number, size, and licensing information. Let's choose a script and install it now. After selecting a script, some information will be shown. Down here at the bottom, we can see the current version number, license information, install size, and some helpful links, such as documentation and support. Click this button to begin the installation process. Click Next. Choose the domain where this script should be installed. Enter the path where this application should be installed, if different from the default. The install locations will change depending on the domain and path you enter. Click Next. Choose the version to be installed here. This drop-down shows a list of all previous versions. Unless you need an earlier version, you should install the latest. Click Next. You must accept the End User License Agreement (EULA) before you can install. Click I accept. Choose the Database Management options. If you want to manage the database settings yourself, you will need to create a database on your server and have the database name, username, and password available. Select the other option to have Installatron automatically create and set up a database for you. Click Next. On this page, you can set the admin username, password, and email that will be used for this installation. Click Next. Click Submit to start installing. After a moment, the software will be installed, and this page will show up with information about the install. You may want to print the page for your records. Click Complete to begin using your application. Click this link to view your new site. Here is our new script. That's it! You now know how to install a script in Installatron.